Hello guys, welcome to the Java Developers YouTube channel. In yesterday's class, we discussed about the arithmetic operators in Java, and we are in the concept of operators. In Java, there are 7 types of operators. We finished with the arithmetic operator, and whereas we need to understand that by the division you will get the quotient, by using the modulo you will get the remainder. Okay, that is the main differences between the modulo and the division. And today our topic is about assignment operators in Java. Okay, just open the Eclipse and go to our project name and go to the src, go to the package and create. Click on, right click on it, click on new class, assignment operator. Assignment operator and include the main method. Click on finish. Okay, in assignment operator concept you will be having equals to, that is mean by assigning, plus equals to addition, minus equals to subtraction, and between the we are comparing between the two operands or two variables. Okay, that's the meaning of that. And you will have in the division and you will having the modulo. Let's see that with the examples. Okay, let's take int a is equals to 10 and int b is equals to 2. Okay, if a value b is assigned with a, that means we are passing the a value into the b. So if I print b, what is the output we are going to get? Okay, you are able to get that 10 because the value of a which stores 10, that is assigned to the b value. Okay, that is the first one, assignment operator of equals to. And next, if I take, let's comment this. Okay, next one is a plus equals to b. That means the expansion of this will become a is equals to a plus b. Okay, as the a value 10, as the b value 2, if you print, end of that will be stored in a, right? So just print the a, and if you execute the code you will get 12 because addition. Okay, let's comment this. In the same way, instead of addition, just use subtraction. That means a is equals to a minus b, and if I print a, you will get a is equals to a minus b, that is 8. Okay, it's an subtraction operation. Next, a into equals to b, that means a is equals to a into b, and just print the a. You are going to get a is equals to 10 into 2, it's 20. Just end with the semicolon and just execute it. You will get 20. This is the multiplication. A by equals to b, that means a is equals to a by b. Just to print the a. Okay, what is the output you are going to get? A is holding, what is the value of a? 10 by 2, it's 5, right? 10 by 2, 2 5s are 10, as you will get the quotient of when you're doing the division. And if I go with modulo operator, a modulo equals to b, that mean by a is equals to a modulo by b. Okay, then print a. What is the value you are going to get? 10 is divisible by 5, so you will get 0 as a reminder. Okay, it will give the remainder as an output. Okay, it will give the remainder as an output, and the division will gives the quotient as an output. Okay, that's the differences between that. And these are the some of the examples of assignment operators in Java, and these will be used when during the logical building, or in some case where we want to minimize this a is equals to a by b, or in that situations we are going to use this shortcut. It comes under the category of compound operators. Okay, yeah, this is today's topic about assignment operators. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.